Welcome, sir. Welcome to the college.
Namaskar, ma'am. Welcome to the college, ma'am.
शासकीय नवीन विधि महाविद्यालय के घाट आपके निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर हो। जैन श्रीमान
First of all, I want to bring your knowledge the fact that you are in the Nagari of Devi Ahilya, where the blessings of Devi Ahilya is prevailing that इस स्थिति में इस शहर में रात को कोई भूखा नहीं सोएगा and blessings it is still continuing. Well, on the occasion of second cycle of Naac, I welcome the chairman Dr. Keshav Rao from the side of myself and my colleagues. Dr. Numani, I welcome him, and Madam Sunita Adav, I welcome the members and chairman of the Naac team. It is a special occasion for the college when it is celebrating its birth centenary, starting from a department to a big college. I am feeling very fortunate because one of the members of the B.A.LL.B team today in the college is from my alma mater. Well, the institution has a great history and contribution in the field of law because In these 100 years, it has created limitless judges, lawyers, Supreme Court judges, vice chancellors, etc. After this introduction and welcome, I want the kind permission of Mr. Chairman to proceed with my presentation. First of all, as far as the history concerned, the profile of the college concerned, college is approved from Higher Education Department of Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, established in 2003, affiliated to B.A.LL.B. Vishwavidyalaya, Indore, recognized by Bar Council, campus area 5 acres, built-up area 2.2579.4, Naac accreditation is B+ grade. Courses offered B.A.LL.B. honors, B.A.LL.B. honors, LL.B. honors, LL.M. PhD Research Center. Students strength this year we have 1786 students. Total faculty members are 21 and 6 visiting faculty. Number of PhD faculty 6. Principal, myself, Chairman Janvagirari Samiti, Collector Indore. Now we come on the vision and mission.
You can skip with it. We will keep it. Vision and mission you can skip.
Oh yes. Sorry. GNLC history. College. Firstly, the college was started as a department of Holkar College in 1923. Then in 1961, it was a part of G.A.C.C. In 2003, it became a separate college. In 2014 to 17, B.A.LL.B. and B.A.LL.B. courses started respectively. It became a research center of PhD in 2017. New building, Block A, Block B under construction. 2022 to 23. Now, vision and mission. I could not read it, but I can say that vision is a genre and mission is a species. What I want to say that our mission is to create a man who is legally skilled and professionally enriched. In my dictionary there is no word like unemployment. We are creating the professionals full of skill. This is our mission and vision. In vision I can say that we are creating a society which should be legally aware, achieving the aims as laid down in the preamble of the Constitution. हमारे कुछ एलिमनाई हैं जिन्होंने अचीवमेंट किया है, हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जैसे D.A.L.B. ओझा, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जज, मैडम निशा दुबे यहीं पढ़ी, यहीं प्राचार्य हुई और उसके बाद बरकतुल्लाह यूनिवर्सिटी की VC बनी। और एक चीफ जस्टिस हुए पाकिस्तान के ऑनरेबल एल्विन बॉबी रॉबर्ट कॉर्नेलियस। These are the few achievements. During your verification, you will find that in every walk of life, we have participated with great zeal and courage. Next is number of programs offered. First is undergraduate programs, 2 चल रहे हैं हमारे यहाँ, B.A.LL.B ऑनर्स सीट्स हमारे पास 120 हैं और इलेक्टिव कोर्सेज हैं हमारे पास 10. B.A.LL.B honors, we have 120 seats with elective courses 10. Postgraduate programs continuing LLB honors, we have seat 180 with elective courses 6. Then LLM seats 72 with elective courses 4, and one research center is also there. Now we come on the curriculum planning and presentation, where the slide is going. Yes, new building construction. In 18 computer lab started in the college containing 194 computers. Naac accreditation की फर्स्ट साइकिल हुई हमारे यहाँ, उसके बाद 17-18 के बाद 18-19 में कॉलेज की कैंटीन स्टार्ट हुई। 2019-20 में we organized a national seminar और LM की सीट 60 से बढ़ाकर 72 हुई और 2021-22 क्या what is this? New building constructed in 2021 to 22. पार्लियामेंट, यूथ पार्लियामेंट का कार्यक्रम हुआ जिसमें हमारी जो अतिथि थी वो लोकसभा की स्पीकर माननीय सुमित्रा महाजन. This is our history. Now we come on some achievements. This picture you see the girl. This is Yukta Joshi, who is the member of Singapore Arbitration Center. We have more than 50 civil judges selected from GNLC than 25 ADPO as the college is giving in this year. GNLC के स्टूडेंट जो हैं उन्होंने वेरियस मूड कोर्ट कंपटीशन में भाग लिया। करिकुलम प्लानिंग एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, इसके बारे में मैं कहूँगा कॉलेज एमपी हायर एजुकेशन के सर्कुलर को फॉलो करते हुए एक एकेडमिक कैलेंडर बनाता है आफ्टर एडमिशन। एकेडमिक कैलेंडर के बाद डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ वर्कलोड हो जाता है, which include curricular and extra co-curricular activities. Timetable is prepared before commencement of semester. Then we come course coverage and lesson plan is prepared. फिर उसके बाद conduction of class through different methodologies, learning material. We provide learning material during the lecture, and one specific thing in this college is that we have given 5 minutes doubt removal time for the student, 5 to 10 minutes time to remove the doubt of the student. The student may ask the questions or doubts to the teacher, and teacher will remove them. Answer sheet evaluate, then course coverage होगा, learning plan होगा, answer sheet evaluated and displayed to students, internal marks finalized and sheet to university. Semester end university exam get conducted semester end. This is our curriculum. Design and development of curricula. Actually में हम लोग affiliated हैं DABB से, देवी अहिल्या विश्वविद्यालय से। तो बोर्ड ऑफ स्टडीज सिलेबस फॉर्म करती है, यूनिवर्सिटी की बोर्ड ऑफ स्टडीज, उसमें बहुत हमारे कॉलेज से काफी लोग जाते हैं। जैसे पहले हमारे डॉक्टर रहमान थे, मैं हूँ, मेंबर हूँ उसका, बोर्ड ऑफ स्टडीज का। तो वो डिजाइन एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ करिकुलम इज इन द हैंड ऑफ बोर्ड ऑफ स्टडीज ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी। Cross-cutting issues addressed by curricula. Okay. We are focusing on environment and sustainability. Foundation course. Various courses like Indian Constitution, environmental law, legal English, gender justice, human values are included in curriculum, and various activities are also conducted. We have conducted various activities like plantation drive, Swachhta Pakhwada, Swachh Bharat, summer internship abhiyan. There are so many works we have covered. This is the next is the feedback system. what is our feedback system? We take the feedback from the students directly and through the class teacher, and then we frame our policies according to it. हमारे मूट कोर्ट के पार्टिसिपेंट इस कॉलेज में मूट कोर्ट भी है, ऑडी भी है। मूट कोर्ट के हमने बहुत से कार्यक्रम भी किए हैं और हर साल एक नेशनल मूट कोर्ट का प्रोग्राम भी होता है। और मूट कोर्ट में हमारे यहाँ से लड़के भी बच्चे भी जाते हैं। नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेशन एट वेरियस लेवल। मूट कोर्ट कंपटीशन में 17-18 में गए 9, 18-19 में 24, 19-20 में 20, 20-21 में 19, 21-22 में 1। इतने पार्टिसिपेशन हुआ हमारी तरफ से। और अब नेक्स्ट इज द internal moot court selection. It is purely on a democratic basis. We make some teams they after formulating the moot problem present the exercise to them. The best one goes to the final. Now this is the graphical presentation of the student enrollment. Student result. इसमें एक स्पेसिफिक बात यह है कि इन ईयर 21-22 में हमारा 100% रिजल्ट रहा है।
कोविड पीरियड है ना
जी,
ड्यूरिंग कोविड पीरियड,
that is
नॉन कोविड पीरियड देयर इज 100% पास।
एक्चुअली सर जनरल प्रमोशन दे दिए गए, फिर भी हमने लड़कों तक पहुंचने का प्रयास किया ऑनलाइन।
Then you can't say 100% pass. You have given a general promotion to everybody.
Okay, sir.
Please, go ahead.
Average percentage of pass out final year students in last 5 years is 90.11%. These are the graphs, graphical representations regarding the enrollment, about the student enrollment. आज हमारे यहाँ स्थिति ये है कि ये मध्य प्रदेश का एक ऐसा कॉलेज है जहाँ हर एक शहर से, मध्य प्रदेश के हर एक शहर से बच्चे आते हैं। ये एजुकेशन हब भी है। तो हमारे यहाँ आजकल ये स्थिति है कि सीट्स कम होती हैं, डिमांड्स ज़्यादा होती हैं। हमारे हाथ में कुछ नहीं रहता। हायर एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट रूल्स फ्रेम करके देता है और कंप्यूटर ऑनलाइन प्रोसेस है एडमिशन की। हमारे हाथ में कुछ भी नहीं थे। इन एवरी क्लास सर
B.A.LL.B कितने हैं, LLM कितने हैं?
अच्छा अच्छा, मैंने दिया था कान।
But you can take help of somebody. That's absolutely no problem.
So you can prompt also.
Yeah, please.
Sir, in B.A.LL.B there are 120 seats, and in B.B.L.L.B there are 120 seats, and in LLM there were 60 seats, and they have increased to 72, and in LLB there are 180 seats.
LLB means
LLB honors, B.A.LL.B honors, and
what do you mean by LLB honors? What is the tenure of the
3 years PG course.
So how do you call it honors? It is only
Honors.
3 years. No, if it is only 3-year program, it has to be called LLB only. It can't be called LLB honors.
Sir, may I correct something? Actually, this is the specific aspect of the college. We are providing the degree of LLB honors because we are teaching 36 papers in 3 years.
That semester 6 papers. 6 semesters, 36 papers. Nothing new in it. Have you got Bar Council of India permission to award LLBD honors degree? Affiliation is
This
different.
year we have only the permission of LLB course,
Are you having permission from Bar Council of India?
Bar Council of India.
Shows that.
और हमने रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिया है प्रोसेस में कि हम LLB ऑनर्स की रेक्टिफिकेशन हो जाए।
जब आप डेजिग्नेशन दे रहे हैं डिग्री का LLB ऑनर्स, ये कम से कम 4 साल हो गए। 3 साल पढ़ा के आप LLB ऑनर्स नहीं दे सकते। आपको बार काउंसिल का परमिशन नहीं दिखा है। You can show us.
Okay, sir.
Please show it.
Thank you.
And LLM, you are operating LLM also.
Yes.
It's every 2 students, 6 specializations, right? Do you have a postgraduate department of law?
जी
Who is head of the postgraduate department?
myself.
Who is head of the graduate department of law?
My,
The PG department.
No, do you have a department committee, PG law committee? Bar Council and UGC say, especially UGC says, if you are operating LLM, you must have a postgraduate department, in which there must be either 3 professors or 3 associate professors. The committee must be formed. You have a committee.
sir, I want to draw your attention that we are concerned with the higher education department of MP.
The higher education department can't teach us what should be done by a law college.
जी
They can only lay down the general principles or general governing rules. But when you are offering a course and a degree, the concerned regulatory body has to be, the regulations made with the regulatory body have to be fulfilled. And the regulatory body for LLM is UGC. Regulatory body for LLB
जी
is BCL.
of course, sir. Then
Anyway, you can give the whatever documentation you have, you can flash to us.
You
that.
can.
Please go ahead.
जी स्टूडेंट एनरोलमेंट में LLB ऑनर्स में ये आप देखेंगे सर, तो ये जो है एनरोलमेंट की परसेंटेज हर साल बढ़ी है, सीटें कम है या डिमांड ज़्यादा है। इस वजह से हमें बहुत दिक्कतों का भी सामना करना पड़ता है। ये मेड
आपका LLM 2 साल का प्रोग्राम है।
जी
आपका LLM प्रोग्राम 2 साल का
2 years
2 साल
2 साल 2 स्पेशलाइजेशन बिजनेस लॉ एंड क्रिमिनल लॉ।
Sir, actually, your PPT is very exhaustive. We understand that you have put a lot of effort in preparing the book. And in the PPT also there is a thumb rule that not so much PPTs. It's good that you have prepared it. So come to the penultimate PPTs, we do not want to miss to share that. संक्षिप्त में
Madam, there's some attendance.
सार
Yeah, you can take any of the sections.
Let's look at it.
Ma'am, give attendance.
जी जी ओके।
Good morning, distinguished galaxy of the intellectuals present over here. Once again, I welcome you to GNLC. I just want to brief GNLC in very short. I can say that GNLC is the institution which is highly demanded in the central zone in Madhya Pradesh. It is the government law college only one government law college of Indore, and you can see the demand of the institution in the media as well, because they are only limited seats, 120 seats, and the waiting list was around 5,000, 6,000 students were waiting for the admission in this institution. This is the institution.
We come to the gender profile of continue where sir has stopped.
Okay. Then coming to the gender profile of the admitted students, the demographic profile of the students or the admission.
My question is very valid, but this is PPT 20. And no PPT goes up to
Around 66.
66. So that is the point.
Very exhausting.
So with this space, you finish by at 11 o'clock. So that's why I request you to just, yes, the penalty that is not want to place to share with us.
Yes, sir. Okay, sure. Like already sir has mentioned that 50 of the students have been selected as civil judge since for the last years, and 25 ADPOs has been selected. GNLC students has won various moot court competitions, and it is the institution that has organized national moot court competition.
This is contradiction. Earlier the PPT only showed where you have participated. Nowhere it is indicated there that so many prizes have been won. But now a claim is being made that we have won, the students have won many moot court competitions.
So they have represented college.
Representation is different from winning. Representation we accept because you have stated it.
And we have organized 2 national moot court competition. One during the period of pandemic, we have organized online moot court competition, and one was offline moot court competition. More than 15 states have participated in the universities of 15 states has participated in that competition, and we have organized national youth parliament, and it was chaired by Honorable Srimati Sumitra Mahajan, and this is the institution where the meritorious students, because as per the norms and the circular of the MP Higher Education is designed, the admission process goes, and meritorious students are allotted get the preferences. So we have the students who are taking more than 50% of the students are taking the scholarship. That means they fall under the scholarship and they are the meritorious students.
Necessarily. Anyone that joins a government law college is entitled to get scholarship.
Sir, they take Medhavi scholarship. The Medhavi scholarship is particularly in Madhya Pradesh. Medhavi is given to the students who score more than 85%.
There are 5 different kinds of scholarships provided to the state of Madhya Pradesh, where even students of Madhya Pradesh who are studying in Jharkhand are taking. I sign and send every time that he is a student, please grant this scholarship. So, what is the modus operandi for selecting the student?
As sir has mentioned that the admission process is totally designed by the MP Higher Education state government.
Do you conduct any entrance examination?
No sir, there is no entrance examination. The seats are allotted only on the basis of merit basis, and the list is prepared from Bhopal, MP Higher Education.
Okay, so they will prepare the
They prepare the seats is allotted by the government.
depending upon the marks they got.
Yes, depending on the marks. So
Are they conducting any entrance test?
No, ma'am.
Government is conducting?
in law college there is no. In other universities is there. And coming
How many other government law colleges are there in the entire state of India?
Regarding law.
How many are there in the entire
Government
state
law
of
college.
India?
More than 5 colleges are there.
More than 5 means it could be 10, it could be 100, and it could be 1,000. It's an like that. We must have a precise figure. And how many law colleges are there in the city of Indore?
Only one government law college.
Not government, how many law colleges are there? Government or private? Doesn't make any difference. 8 law colleges are there.
Private in Indore. Then
What is the fees you charge?
so we charge fees for LLB 15,000, and from this year onward it has been increased to 16,500, And for BA, BB, LLB it is 25,000, and for LLM also it is 25,000. But this year we have increased for BA, BB, LLB as well. It is 26,500.
Every student that gets admission has to pay this amount.
Yes, sir. But the Medhavi students are entitled to pay only 10 rupees. And the students who are taking scholarships, they have to pay the fees. And previously, the
I beg your pardon. Students who are taking scholarship have to pay the fee.
yes, they come under the
I have not
category.
understood.
They fall under the category. They have to pay the fees, and they get the scholarship from the government directly in their account.
What is the scholarship they get per month, madam?
Sir, per month, if I talk about Chhatra Awas, that is 2,000 rupees for ST students per month, and the fees of the institution is 25,000. They get around 30,000 for annual basis.
They get
30,000 and 2,000 per month.
But why there was no admission in the first 3 years and there is full admission in the COVID years, during COVID time?
Sir, BB/LLB we have started in 2017, and
I'm talking about 17 to 22.
yes, sir, 17 to 22.
The statistics which you have shown, the graph which you have shown, clearly states, see?
Yes, this is of BB/LLB in 5th year. That means the initial year 2017 there were only admission of 47 students, because it was the initial course that we have started. And then coming to BA/LLB, it was started in 2014, and the seats are full. But what happens at the time after allotting the seats, some of the students might get admitted in some of the central universities, so withdraw their
2017,
See, it is 120, 117, 132, 98, and now it has come down to 47.
I just want to mention that. Can I go there?
Yeah, please, please, please.
So this is the graph of 2017. The BA/LLB course, BB/LLB course was started, so only 47 seats were there. Okay, so this is the graph that is showing 2017 and 18 and 19 as well. In 18 and 19, so we got admission of 98 students. Then this shows the graph of 3 years, 18 and 19 plus 19 and 20. Then 130 students got admitted. Then what happened with because we have mentioned that there are only 120 seats, but there are 132. 12 students were the ex-students, like those students who haven't passed the previous batch, so they were included in that. So it is 132. Then it is of 4 years, 2020-21. Then here we have given 117 admissions, and one is added up, 21 and 22, where 120 seats were full.
I fail to understand, madam. Please clarify. In 2018-19, okay, I'll take 2017-18.
Yes, sir.
You have admitted 65 students.
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes.
Then the same batch, when they go to second year, how can it become 118?
Sir, it is not 180. So this graph starts from here, and these are the different colors we have used. That color shows that it is of 2021, and these are the different separated courses. If
You please explain the first line 21-22.
21 and 22, so 120 seats. This shows that 120 seats have been filled.
No, don't worry about the graphic. Just explain us the number.
120 seats in first year.
Okay.
Okay. Then coming to second year students, there are 117 students are there. In third year there are 132 students, and in fourth year
So
there
how
are.
can they increase to 132 in third year? That's
Sir,
what.
I have mentioned that ex-students are also included. Those students, they haven't passed. The students, they get 80 KT.
B.B.LL.B. you started when, madam?
So BB/LLB we started in 2017. So this is the final batch that has passed out in 2021 and 20 for the session of 21-22.
If you have started in 2017-18 Am I right?
Yes, sir.
The academic year 2017-18 you started B.A.LL.B. Am I right? Clear?
B.A.LL.B.
How many students were admitted in the 2017-18?
At the time period, there were 65 students.
Good. Now in the second year, when they came to second year, what is the students then?
It was 59.
Okay. Then
It
49.
was 49.
Then
it was
48.
48.
Then
At the end,
47.
47 students.
Why the
in fact.
decline? From 65, when you come to the final year, it has become 47. Why the decline?
Sir, students haven't passed that examination and haven't.
I mean, is there detention system?
Detention system? No, there is no detention system.
Then
some of the
automatically-
students withdraw their admissions as well. During the mid-course, some of the students withdraw admissions because of some circumstances.
Normally, it will never happen in case of B.B.L.L.B. Normal. Maybe exceptional situation is there with culture. Anyway, please go ahead.
Then coming to the activities that we organize. So, if I talk about NSS, NSS is very rich of Government New Law College, and more than 125 activities we have conducted in last 5 years.
They are
And
not the parameters for Naac application. Please go ahead.
then coming to library, the library is having 14,196 books, and there are rare books as well, which are rare books which may be of 20 to 25 years old, and we have rare books collection 220
We will
books.
see whenever we go to it. Here is
So
a-
Then one of the
this is
legacy.
the dress for the convocation.
Yes, yes. This one of the legacy that Government New College has been following that the toppers of the University of Indore, Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya, are from Government New Law College. Whether in terms of LLM, in terms of B.A.L.L.B. or B.B.L.L.B., the toppers of the institution, the toppers of the university are from this institution. Like I have said that B.B.L.L.B.
But
was.
this is the dress for the convocation.
Yes, sir. This is the dress for convocation, and Honorable Education Minister Shri Mohan Yadav is felicitating the students.
All the other law colleges in the state of in the city of Indore are they affiliated to Devi Ahilya?
Yes, sir. Private, yes.
All.
Yes, private colleges are, some of the private colleges are affiliated to DAVB and some are the autonomous.
So madam, the time is 9 to 9:45 and we started at 9:15. So another 5 minutes what will you come?
Please go ahead.
One thing I want to mention that the lecture, special guest lecture,
2 journals we have seen.
yes, sir.
Hindi journals we have seen.
Yes, sir.
Clearly,
Vidhi Srajan. Vidhi Srajan is the magazine.
we have seen.
And journals, social and legal analytical journal.
I just
Same
blind peer reviewed journal.
What do you mean by that?
Peer and blind peer reviewed journal. I fail to understand.
And both are carrying same title, social and legal analytical journal.
Ma'am,
So only one journal or different journals?
2 journals.
in a year we publish 2 journals for 6
issues.
months. 2 issues are there. 2 issues are there in half yearly. Okay, so that's why social and legal analytical journal is mentioned in both of the images.
Why the word here has been repeated twice?
Peer and blind peer. I don't understand what is meant by blind peer. Legal, yeah. This question.
Hindi also, this section, these are MOUs we have signed with international Indian Institute of
In collaboration, yes.
What are others are unable to read them. One I just Indian Institute of Arbitration. What other MOUs are relating to institutions?
So we have with obabuji.com, and it is for the B.B.L.L.B. students. We have with Government Arts and Commerce College. in collaboration with, we have student exchange program.
What are the external agencies with which you have acted in your own? And what is action taken in pursuance of the country? MOU entering is only mere signature, putting a signature, but has it been implemented?
Yes, some of the MOUs are active and
This is MCA specific, India specific.
so majorly it is specific with them.
These are plantation.
These are the activities that conducted under National Service Scheme, and I have mentioned that 125 activities we have conducted in 5 years. Then students' participation in and representation in various activities, and we have, in terms of sports, we have national and international player as well
You share the sports facilities of this university,
of this.
or you have exclusive sports facilities only for the arts?
Sir, we conduct sports activities at
Facility.
facilities. There is indoor gym, there is
Are you using the facility of the university, or do you have exclusive facility
so we have exclusive.
only meant for the last students?
Yes,
So we will see that.
we
Never walk around of those.
then this is the village that we have adopted.
What
But
about the hospitals?
so there is no hostel in this.
Where would the scholarship students stay?
Scholarship students usually take or stay in the government hostels also. The government hostels in the opposite sides, or they take on room on rent.
Before we came here, we saw a building where many students are standing. Is it not a hospital?
Chandrasekhar Azad Hostel,
So
Chhatrapati.
it is government hostel. Government hostel.
It's a very small hostel. It was on the way to this college.
Yes, sir. These are the government hostels, and yes, students get admitted in that. And if in case they are not getting, because there is some limit as well, if in case they are not getting, then they take room on rent as well. So they get house rent allowance from the government, that is 2,000 pounds. Then coming to next, this is the infrastructure: conference hall, moot court, open stage.
You have a special room designated as food court room?
Yes, sure, sir.
Or you convert the classroom into a food
No,
court
sir.
where
No,
they
sir.
can-
We have a separate moot court, and we'll show you. And
Fine.
Why not you organize this meeting and interaction presentation in the conference hall where all the faculty and all the
All supposed to be there.
supposed to be there. Why in one room secluding others and if we have a conference hall.
actually, sir, we were quite apprehensive.
What you could have asked us.
Yes, sir. Apologies for that, because we haven't asked you. But we were quite apprehensive. Otherwise, we were having the suggestions, and we wanted to show that moot court, because this is one of the milestone.
You will see food court, library and all those facilities.
Yes.
We have to see this. So it's
What
very
was the apprehension? What was the apprehension?
Sir, regarding conducting that presentation, that it has to be present.
Leakage of anything, water.
Really? Yeah, madam, please go.
Canteen, there is canteen, there is guard room, there is classrooms, 15 classrooms are there. And one thing we have also added, like sir has mentioned, that in 2021-22, block B is also added. So this is one of the feather that we have added in our cap, and it was one of the recommendation in the last visit. So this is the basketball, this is table tennis, sports room, basketball court, this is the playground,
Proceed.
and these are the highlights of the library.
The
Like,
sources are quoted.
yes, 14,000 plus books are there, and the process of issuing the book is there. Like 2 books are issued to the students, and those students are advanced learners, fast learners, so we facilitate them by issuing more than 2 books. And we have rare collection of rare books as well.
Yeah, please go.
What is the soul software? Access to soul software?
Sir, Soul software, it is to access.
Do you have access to implement?
Yes, we had.
What question?
In flip net.
Yes, we had.
We talk to the library. Please go ahead.
Then this is the infrastructure regarding computer lab.
You also mentioned the Wi-Fi speed also.
Yes, yes. It was 20 Mbps and till date it is 400 Mbps. So it is Wi-Fi camp, fully Wi-Fi campus, and this is one thing.
This camera is showing that this is the computer lab. This blue paper.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Computer lab.
Yes, sir. Canteen.
Somebody is taking class there.
Yes.
This is the SP you mentioned.
Then students' participation in sports and cultural activities.
Okay, see.
These are the students which are benefited.
Yes. See, you have around, in fact, more than 1,500 students. And the number of students in the last 5 years, last year, 21-22, only 5 people. That means, is it because they are not participating or is it because they are participating but not getting?
They have.
But students are more than 1,500.
Yes, the 1786 students
You showed
are.
many photographs also. The girls and boys taking medals in the school.
Yes, sir. We have added also in the next slide. So students are participating. And this graph is about the students who are benefited with the scholarship with the last 5 years. So 52.33 students are benefited with the scholarship.
Scholarship based on the past or based on the academic criteria?
So both. It is based on the category as well for SC, ST students and OBC, and it is both based on their academics merits also. Then alumni engagement.
You established that in 2019.
6 month 2019 and the forms and social registrations.
Society registration.
Yes, society registrations, and the contribution of alumni is that they give motivational and knowledge sharing lesson sessions with the students.
Mentioned that one of the alumni in Singapore.
Yes,
Radhakrishnan.
yes, Yukta Joshi, and some of the alumni are right now at as assistant professor, and these are the alumni who are selected as who are in judiciary. They are the alumni of Government Law College, and these are also the students who are selected at civil judge in the last 5 years.
In the last 5 years, 7, 28, only 30 students were selected. In the last 5 years, only 30 students have been selected.
No sir, no sir. More than 50 students.
2017.
This is 30.
Yes, this is the photographs shows that, but we have more than 50 students and we have the recorders. Then these are the students awards in sports, the students those who have represented the college. These are the national and international players. Then the students are also active in social awareness as well. Then empowerment and welfare, faculty retention. College focuses on faculty retention, so they provide leave, academic leave. They always concern for the increment of the faculties as well. The college properly timely supports the faculties for their development, so they provide leaves for attending workshops, seminar and conferences also, and they encourage the faculty members. Yes, we have. There is a biometric machine and
They are getting duty leave.
duty leave.
If they participate.
Duty and academic leave, financial assistance for attending workshops.
Registers are maintained properly.
Yes, sir.
How many days they will be there?
We have to present register.
How many days are entitlement of duty?
In a semester, in a year.
If I talk about like in month we get
30 days duty leave is there.
yes.
Next.
Then
You don't know that how many days of imprisonment or meeting is where it is. It happens to be cosmetic or
then financial management and resource mobilization. Yes, procurement of fund and utilization of fund is there. So fee collection is via SBI Collect.
How many
And
students have you to pay?
how many students pay fee?
Have not yet paid.
Have not yet paid.
Defaulters.
Defaulters. So individual record of individual classes is maintained.
They are stable. You have an accounts department,
Yes.
finance department is there.
Yes.
You'll ask.
Okay. Then utilization of the fund and the procurement of the fund. The fund is procured from fee collection, that is bank interest, the fund from various government and non-government agencies, and the fund is utilized in FDP seminars and infrastructure. Development programs.
State infrastructure.
It,
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Next slide.
this is the organization structure. Teaching staff and non-teaching staff. In teaching staff, there are regular faculties. Yes, and yes, 6 regular faculties, 2 are on deployment maybe, and guest faculty, Jan Bhagidari.
What is the Jan Bhagidari?
Jan Bhagidari is self-financing.
What is the fees you charge for the students that come under this?
So Jan Bhagidari, teachers fall under this Jan Bhagidari, and we have courses, self-financing courses. B.A. and B.A.LL.B are self-financing courses.
How much they pay?
Students, they pay 25,000 and it has been increased to 26,500 from this year. Sir, it is, yes, it is as per the qualification, as per their experiences as well.
Can you give us the grade? PhD, faculty with PhD, how much is going to be?
So 40,000 they are getting.
40. Faculty without PhD but with SLET or NET.
So they are getting 35,000.
Faculty with only LLM, no NET, no SLET.
Some of them are freshers. They are on contract basis, so they are getting to the 21,600, and those who are experiences. So it is varied according to the experiences also. We have encountered experience.
Faculty without LLM.
No sir, there are faculties have PGs.
So you have 25 teachers, 17 non-teaching staff.
Yes.
As you mentioned in SSR.
Yes. Yes.
25 teachers, 17 non-teaching staff.
So, yes, 27, 26 regular and 6 are
What
permanent.
do you mean by regular? We did clarify. We are finding different figures being mentioned at different places.
Yes, 26 regulars, that means those who are coming under Jan Bhagidari.
How many sanctioned posts do you have?
Sanctioned post, we have 4 sanctioned posts. In terms of permanent faculties, yes, and 1 is for professor and 3 is for assistant professors, and right now 2 faculty members are on the deployment.
I fail to understand. See, you have a sanctioned strength of 4 faculty, 1 professor and 3 assistant. Excellent. Are they employed now?
Yes,
Then what do you mean by deployment?
so 2 faculties are here for deployment. So we have mentioned 6 faculties are right now permanent faculties. So 2 faculties are on deployment. They have come.
They have come from some other college?
Yes, they have come
They will
from
go
some.
back?
Yes, they are here for some stipulated period of time and will get.
Have anybody from this college went to some other college?
No, sir. They haven't gone for the deployment.
You wrote there regular faculty, guest faculty, guest faculty. Is there any classification amongst the guest faculty members?
Sir, it is some typo error.
Right. Go ahead.
Apologies for that.
Next.
Then this is the self-appraisal, academic performance, research contributions, involvement in institutional activities, MOOC certification, qualification, upgradation, and student guiding students in projects and
What is it?
MOOC, massive open online course. Students, some of the students are registered under Swayam and BGL.
You have CBS system, CBCS, choice-based credit system. Do you have in place choice-based credit system?
Choice-based credits.
Are you adopting it now?
That's why the student will go for MOOC, go to SWAM.
Yes, we have.
Okay.
So, about Jan Bhagidari Samiti,
Who
what?
are in this list? Professor Rajendra Dev, Share Science Day.
Yes.
Kumar Bhadoria sir.
So Pavan Kumar Bhadoria sir is outside. He is HOD, so he is.
You are telling only one professor, but there is another person being designated is given.
Professor Pavan Kumar Bhadoria.
Is he a professor of law?
Yes, sir.
You said only one professor is there.
Professor and assistant professors.
Assistant professor also you give the title professor.
Sir, Pavan Kumar Bhadoria sir is also assistant professor. Dr. Vipin Kumar Bhadoria sir is also assistant professor.
Vipin Kumar Mishra.
Sorry, Vipin Kumar
You are the
Mishra.
coordinator of NAC.
Yes, sir.
And you are Ganesh Mukhati.
Ganesh Mukhati is the member of Jan Bhagidari Samiti. These are the permanent faculties, and Ganesh Mukhati, Manish Soni, they are not the faculties, but they.
They should be in there. Seats are
So
also.
he joined as a transfer.
Sir, they might be coming at 1.
To the Ganesh Mukhati and Shree Soni, they are outsiders.
Yes, they are outsiders.
Are they politicians,
No, sir, they are not.
government officials? What is their background?
सर इसमें ये होता है जो जनभागीदारी समिति होती है हमारे यहाँ, तो उसमें 1996
Because it's all self-financed program.
जी जी तो जनभागीदारी समिति गठित की गई। जो वो कमेटी होती है, उस कमेटी में प्रिंसिपल होते हैं, वित्त सचिव होते हैं और कलेक्टर होते हैं, उसके अध्यक्ष होते हैं सर। और जो हमारे यहाँ ट्रेजरी डिपार्टमेंट का ऑफिसर होता है वो उसके मेंबर होते हैं, और एक मेंबर हमारे यहाँ SBI से होते हैं।
मेरा सवाल सीधा है
जी
गणेश मुखर्जी जी और रमेश सोनी जी दे आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग यू।
जी जनभागीदारी समिति में रिप्रेजेंट
कंपनी के मेंबर है वो क्या करते हैं?
वो सर हमारे यहाँ जो जनभागीदारी का बैठक होता है जिसमें बजट वगैरह पास होता है, उस बजट में
भैया वो क्या करता है? गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर है
जी,
या
जी,
प्राइवेट
गवर्नमेंट।
इंडिविजुअल है, बिजनेसमैन है,
गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर
जी
गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर।
ठीक।
And these are the activities that we have conducted since last
You
year.
have a wonderful gender sensitization program. In the JBS body there is no female. There is no gender representation.
So permanent, actually in the Jan Bhagidari Samiti, permanent faculty members are there. So there is no permanent faculty member right now.
Okay.
And these are the activities regarding constitution obligations that we have conducted. And we have celebrated day celebration, commemorative days are also celebrated in this institution.
What dates?
Constitution Day, Samvidhan Divas, National Service Day, Rashtriya Seva Yojana Divas. So that's all about Government Law College.
And could you tell us about the best practices?
Best practices.
I think IQAC. They will tell only about the university. The specifics will be handled by them.
Thank you.
Okay, so thank you so much.
So where next?